Hello dear traders, good morning and welcome back. Thursday today, we're looking at the New Zealand dollar versus the Canadian. I want to follow up on this one. About a week ago, we pulled the trigger here when price was still on the upside. It was still pushing forward, and you can see the moment we pulled the trigger, right? About a week ago, I would say, price was basically approaching the previous high. And to be honest, we thought this might end up as a tipping point because obviously we're chasing a downside reversal here. We think price is going to go back to where it came from pretty much. But obviously we were off with the timing, but we were fully aware of that. So the intention was to get in small, and if price push forward and continues to push, to move up, at some point we would like to double down as long as price doesn't break above 91.13, which we thought it could reach that level. It could reach that, that strong resistance, have a bit of a reaction, find some strong resistance, obviously, and then starts to turn around. So we think it actually did it, right? It stretched itself all the way up. Take a look at the touchdown here. I'm not even talking about yesterday. A couple of days ago, for the first time, big spike, big bounce off. And yesterday, of course, big move. But you know what? Take a look at this closing price on yesterday, guys. Check this out. 91.12. I mean, the accuracy is absolutely mind-blowing, right? Just one pip. So obviously there's a huge resistance here. All we need, guys, before we double down, before we throw in one more trade into this position, we just want to make sure price is going to end up today negatively. That's very important. That's key, right? So we want price to start pushing itself against that level and basically start to manifest that turnaround, right? That downside reversal. So that's the game plan. All right, we're going to wait till the end of the day. If price is going to end up negatively, we're going to double down, and then of course we would expect price to start to turn around and push downwards. And once it does that, we're going to start to be more aggressive with this position, trying to build this position. On the flip side, if price crosses over 91.13, obviously we would start to consider pulling out completely, right? I mean, this position here is very small, and we would like to keep it small as long as price goes against us, which clearly it still does, right? Let's talk a little bit about the stop loss level. Right now, 92, as you can see, we keep a healthy distance from that 91.13 level, which we believe is the last line of resort here, the last, the big resistance level. And yeah, we expect price to start and turn around here. As far as targets go, we got 89.08 as the first one. That's actually the secondary target. And of course, primary target and final destination is only 86.78, so that's quite a bit of a move, potentially speaking. That's what we're looking at. All right, guys, so there you go. New Zealand versus the Canadian. Interesting situation. We'll come back probably next week to follow up on whatever have happened here. We're going to share with you exactly what we decided to do. All right, guys, that's about that for this one. We'll be back with the next, so join us. Cheers.